What's up, guys? It's Eric. Welcome back. So last couple weeks has been pretty rough on the lawn here in Central Virginia and on pretty much a lot of the East Coast. I know the temperatures have been pretty high, especially for this time of year. Spent 2 weeks pretty much in the mid 90s when our average temperature is 80. So that's it's a pretty big increase. Yards weren't ready for it. I know mine wasn't. At least my irrigation wasn't. So I had to make a bunch of adjustments in the past couple days, or 2 weeks actually. But it doesn't change the fact that the yard has taken a beating and is struggling because of that. So today I'm going to put down the compaction cure, which is RGS at 6 ounces per 1,000 square feet and aerate at 9 ounces per 1,000 square feet. And to be honest, I've been so busy lately with work and then with the death of my grandfather that I didn't even put down any biostimulants for May. So I mean, I'm behind on that. I'm due for a FERT. I still got to spray weeds. I'm due for my next pre-emergent. So just too much going on. But I'm actually getting ready to make another video on how I'm solving that issue. But that's a video for later. I'm actually going to shoot that video as soon as I'm done shooting this video. This area right here, obviously struggling from lack of water, heat stress. That's all I can get it in. And it is hard as a rock underneath of that. Come back here. Still not quite all the way in, but much better. I'm gonna come to like right here. Straight in, no problem. This is just discolored from the disease. But yeah, no problem getting that all the way in. So, but like right here, it's probably be another tough area. Yeah. There's definitely compacted areas of the yard, and they're the areas, coincidentally, I mean, it's pretty obvious, that look like they're struggling the most. So this is a much needed application. So get ready to mix her up, spray it down. Let's do this. Alright, well, that's going to about wrap it up for this video on the compaction cure and adding the biostimulants. I decided not to do the microgreen app. I'm just going to save that till I think Tuesday. Maybe put down some 700 green effect with it, do double dark. So Got another video coming out soon on new fertilizer I'm going to try out. I'll explain why in that video. But thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe by hitting the button over here. Watch one of the videos on this side of the screen. Until next time, peace.